Good morning, everybody. I'm Neil. Thanks for coming back to Wrecking Crew Hobbies. Today I'm going to be working on a scx24. It is currently in stock form. I have got a box of upgrades: bodies, tires, weighted wheels, LCG chassis, upgraded motor, longer shocks. I have 2 front axles, 2 servos, one's reversed. I'm going to be setting up a 4-wheel steer for this here Jeep. We'll try and get a quick little setup and see how capable this is in comparison to where it ends up. Let me get this set up real quick. As you can see, it is only 2-wheel steering in the front. It is 4-wheel drive. Everything's posi. These are pretty capable vehicles right out of the box. And since it's coming up on winter, and here in Washington it rains like hell for like 8 months, seems like, I'm gonna build a couple of these so me and my buddies can get some indoor rock crawling going, and this is gonna be the first one. I'm not gonna build this all on camera. I'm just gonna kind of sit back for the next couple days and tinker on it while I watch some football when I get home from work. But I will do a come back to video so you can see what's done. I will open this up real quick so you guys can see the inside now in comparison to what it's going to look like when I am done. Tell, single servo in the front, nothing going on here in the back. Metal frame rails, tiny little motor. Okay guys, I'll see you back when I've done a bunch of work to this. So this 88 turn motor is a stock motor, and I'm going with this larger, more torquey, and should be, or should give a little more wheel speed since it's a 66 turn, but you can tell it's definitely a larger can motor. As you can see, I've got the LCG chassis fit. The 4-wheel steering is all installed. I just need to install the servos. I'm getting ready for paint. Just want to give you all a quick update on where she sits. All metal drive lines, metal links. So one of the upgrades I've done to this truck you can't really see. It's in the front differential, but it is an overdrive gear, which allows the front gear or front wheels to rotate faster than the rears, which will aid in climbing. When you're climbing, it'll be more inclined to pull you uphill versus your rear tires rolling you backwards. I think this one was rated at 33%. Alright guys, this is how she ended up. Kind of try to point out all the upgrades I've done. Carbon fiber LCG chassis. I put on the Injora rock sliders. I put in an Injora motor. I did the Injora front axles, both front and rear. I did the Injora shocks. The 4-wheel steer kit from Injora came with 2 upgraded servos, one's reversed, as well as I also put on the high clearance links. I would recommend that if you're upgrading one of these scx24s to try and stay with the same manufacturer. Sometimes from one manufacturer to the next, things are just a little different. So to keep the geometry the safest, try and stay with the same companies throughout your build. Sometimes parts don't jive well from other companies. They don't work together, so the parts sometimes don't work together either. I'm going to go ahead and shoot some video of this crawling around, and then I want to talk about this thing here. This thing here is an Injora truck. I bought this chassis, 3D printed this body, and framed up a little bed. This is also made by Injora. I will say I would recommend this to absolutely fucking no one. This is junk. The only reason I bought this chassis is because it was inexpensive and I wanted to test the capabilities of my printer. However, Injora on the smaller scale stuff like this scx24 has been pretty good for me. I'm gonna get back to some running footage and I'll let you guys kind of make your own decisions on it. As you can see, it's pretty capable little rig. It's very smooth. Everything from Injora that I put on this went rather easily, for the exception of the wheels. Thank God I had some small little wrenches to get in there. It's kind of got a countersunk hub and it's hard to get a basic tool in there. So I'd advise maybe against some treal rims. Same people that made the overdrive gear. Other than that, this is all came out pretty good, guys. Tell me what you think. Please like, subscribe. Y'all have a good day.